yesterday was the first summer holiday pop-up. Was pretty good actually. Then I thought would be, or expected would be the turn up, because I mostly rely on school term to be busy. And today I'm sort of faced with a similar situation. I'm going to the village, and I've not been there before in the summer holiday. And today I've baked extra 30 sausage rolls than normal because I have a private order for the party. So yeah, it's one thing I came to a realization with business is that you do stuff this with doubt. You guess the numbers when it's not holiday, when it's like normal days, school terms. I usually know the numbers to bake. Now I have to readjust. I have to think. But you do with doubt. Let the doubt do its work, and then you just keep going, showing up. Morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm brilliant, thank you.
Good.
Thank you for making us off.
Nice.
Rolls.
My pleasure.
Will they go in there okay?
Yes.
Perfect. So how have you been?
Yeah.
You've
good.
been on holiday or you've been abroad?
Yes, a few times. Yeah.
Yeah. And,
Yeah, been good.
But yeah, we're going wine tasting today
Oh.
on a little coach around some of the vineyards. So I thought we need these.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah. So.
Now that the 30 have been collected, it's time to go and see if we can sell the rest. Actually, I think I made quite a bit of sausage, more than I should have. For Saturday, I end up with 2 trays. So usually they sell out. So let's see if I made just enough.
Thank you so much.
Paid. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you too.
4 Pano chocolate.
Sure.
That white one in the corner, what sort of bread is that?
Signature white.
Is it, it's not sourdough?
No sourdough.
Can I get one of them, please?
Sure.
I did make it 5 when I got it.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. Lovely.
Thank you. Good morning,
Honey, I put one bread on order, Anna.
Anna. I think they will be in. I'm early. Usually get here 9:30. Yes, yes.
Lovely.
I
All
get
right,
early.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello there.
When is that? Thank you. So, E5, please. That's a good start. 9:10. Good morning,
how are
sir.
you?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, good thanks, pal. Where were you last week?
I was in Brussels, Belgium. Yeah.
Doing what?
I was invited to an event for YouTube.
Oh,
Through
wait.
YouTube, yeah. It's
Nice.
good.
What was
good.
it? Was it like a thing?
So I went to Tomorrowland.
Did you?
Yeah,
How was
festival.
that?
Yeah,
I've
it was-
always wanted to go.
Yeah, no, it's pretty good. I think you should have time.
Yeah?
It's pretty good. Yeah,
Yeah?
it's worth
Okay.
going. Yeah. I'm not like a party kind of guy, but that
Right.
was really nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
it's
was
meant to
good
be an awesome atmosphere.
Yeah, this is it. This is
Yeah.
it. This is it.
A bit like Glastonbury, kind of.
Yeah, it's just nice vibe. You just walk around. It's kind of like a busy community.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's
Yeah,
nice.
everyone's happy, right?
That's it. Yes, that's
Everyone's
true.
just happy to be
They're just
there.
happy to be there. Yes.
Exactly.
Mm.
Okay, mate. What sourdoughs have you got?
I got country sourdough. I got seeded sourdough as well.
Okay. I'll go seeded, please.
Seeded,
Yeah, I'll
sure.
try that.
Sure,
And one of your sausage rolls would be great.
of course.
And this is just almonds.
Almonds, yeah.
Yeah, I'll try them next as well. Please.
Sure.
Veg. No. Yeah, of course. Yeah. It's a pup, so yeah. Lovely stuff. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good one.
Cheers.
Have a sourdough.
Sourdough,
please.
sure.
One of these.
Coconut.
Cinnamon.
Okay.
Yeah. And 2 cinnamon.
2
please.
buns, yeah.
Sausage roll as well, please.
Sure.
And you've got to do all the adding up yourself. You haven't got your accountant to do it for you.
Not yet, yes. It's not here.
Yeah.
It's not here yet.
It's a bit early, isn't it?
100 days.
I think the older they get, the slower they are
The
getting.
slower,
up.
yes. Yes. 2160, please. Thank you.
Lovely. Thanks very
Thank
much
you.
indeed. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hiya.
Good morning.
You've got an order from me, Ali Scott.
Alice Scott. Just. So we've got.
Take the sausage rolls.
Sure. Country sourdough.
I came last week and you weren't here.
Yes, I was away.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Got me up early anyway.
Can't do it.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Lovely, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What happened to you last week?
I was away.
Oh, anywhere
Yeah.
exciting?
Yeah, I would say so. Yes, I was in Belgium for
Oh.
a festival.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
Oh,
it was
yeah.
good. It's good.
Enjoy it?
Yeah, it was good. I did actually.
Could I have 2 sourdoughs, please?
Sure.
Should be okay.
Well done.
Yep,
Thank you,
okay.
sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. It was good fun.
Was it valuable?
Yes, yes, it was. I met some people, shared some experience. Yeah, it was nice. It was good. It was very good.
Yeah.
It's worth going.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
no,
that's
it's
it
good.
then, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's all a good experience, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, and you get your.
You get to know people, connect with other
Yes,
people.
that's
Yeah.
right. Yeah,
No, it
extend,
was
yeah.
good.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank
lovely.
you.
I try one of those as well. I saw you at Zan's, I don't know if you remember, we had a chat one day.
Oh yes, no, I wasn't. I expected to see your face. Now I remember where to. Thank you
Okay,
very
have a good
much.
day.
Thank you. Good morning.
Morning. Juliet Lewis, you got an order?
Yeah.
Yesterday morning, I think. Never mind, you've still got some. That's a metaphor.
Please. Yes. Very much.
Thank you. See you next week.
Sure. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm well, thank you. How are you guys?
Good, thanks. How was Brussels?
It was good, thank you. Yeah, it was nice. It was a nice experience.
Good. Oh, good.
That's it.
Excellent. Hi, everyone.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Oh, sorry, good morning. It's about 100 years since anybody called me sir.
You can call him Christopher.
Nah,
Oh, Christopher is much better.
Yeah.
no, I prefer. Sir.
But,
I
may I say, not Chris.
No.
Ah!
Yeah.
Oh, Christopher.
Yeah.
Chris.
Fully blown.
Fully bro. Oh, this is Marine.
Look at all this.
whirligigs.
That's
No,
yours.
no,
Oh, the
no.
whirligigs.
That's your sourdough.
Do you want it, do you want something
No,
naughty?
I've eaten so much over the last couple of days.
Okay. Okay, just that for us, please.
Of course.
Well, I've just
Fine,
seen somebody I can annoy.
It's nice to have you back.
Thank you. It's good to be back.
I can just look at these and dream.
And dream.
Okay.
Thank you
thanks.
very much.
See you next
See you next week. Yeah, so the veggies didn't sell out. A little bit less than this would have sold out. So I basically still have everything. Apart from the white loaf, I have some breads, pain au chocolat, brownies, sausage rolls, and almonds. Yeah, somehow the impact is real. So this. Some people ask, what do you do with leftovers? So some will take home, some will give to colleagues, I say so, and friends. And yeah, because normally it's not like massive. So if I have like pain au chocolat, lots of pain au chocolat, I would make almond croissants next week. I was freezing them, make almond croissant, or plain croissant and make almond croissant. Yeah, so let's see next week what's gonna be. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe.